This is what 21 million pesos can buy you in West Avenue, corner Quezon Avenue, Quezon City, Philippines. Imagine living here. Welcome to One Delta Terraces by DMCI Homes. Start with a bright living and dining area, perfect for relaxing or entertaining. A spacious kitchen with built-in cabinets, plus a dedicated laundry area for convenience. A common bathroom with 2 additional bedrooms, and a master bedroom with its own bathroom. Enjoy 2 balconies, one in the living room, one in the master bedroom, perfect for coffee or city views. As a DMCI Homes resident, enjoy resort-style amenities, swimming pool, landscape gardens, playgrounds, function rooms, and 24/7 security. Located along West Avenue and Quezon Avenue, you're minutes from malls, offices, hospitals, and transport hubs. Turnover is expected in 2029, and you can start owning a unit for as low as 72,000 pesos per month. Contact the details below for more information.